All right, these practice questions shouldn't take all that long. We have 20 times 4/5. So first I'm going to write it like this, 20 times 4/5. Then I'm going to recognize that this is 20 times 4 over 5, or 80 over 5. Now, in order to solve this, we have to go 80 divided by 5, or if you prefer 80 divided by 5. 5 goes into 8 one time. Bring down the 0. 30 divided by 5 is 6. So 80 divided by 5 is equal to 16. 20 times 4/5 is 16. We have 24 times 7/8. What is 7/8 of 24? We have 24 times 7/8 is equal to 24 times 7 over 8. We're going to multiply this. 24 times 7. 7 times 4 is 28. Carry the 2. 7 times 2 is 14. 15, 16. So 168. So we have 168 divided by 8. And what would that be? 168 divided by 8 would be 20. Just be the 0 left. Bring down the 8. 21. Now, there is a slightly simpler way. 24 times 7 divided by 8. I'm going to divide 24 by 8. 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. 24 times divided by 8 is 3. So then I just have 3 times 7 over 1 is equal to 21. When you learn to kind of cross these out first, then it ends up being a little bit simpler. And if you go back to this question, if we look to see if there's a simpler way, we could have said from the 20 times 4 over 5, press out the 5, divide this by 5, this equals 1. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4, so then we're left with 4 times 4 is 16. So once you learn to kind of cross out the top and the bottom, the numbers become a little bit easier. Just a look ahead, eventually we're going to be multiplying fractions, and so there's nothing on this that you need to do, but I wanted to show you. If you have 2/3 multiplied by 3/4, what you're going to do is you're going to combine the drawings. So you would have the square, you would have 2/3 here, like from this picture, but then you would also split it into 4ths from this picture. That creates a total of 12 squares. And how many are shaded in with both? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are shaded in the pink and the purple. So it's kind of like this section approximately would be shaded in for both. So that gives us 6 out of 12 total. That's where we're heading. You don't need to know that, but I wanted to kind of show you what that looks like. And also something that we would have been doing in 6th grade a little bit is some measurement, knowing this is called a protractor. A protractor shows 90-degree angles, and it shows you the angles of everything. So if I'm looking for a 45-degree angle, I see 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 45 would be right between 40 and 50, so that'd be right here. So 45-degree angle is straight across and up. So if I'm doing a 45-degree angle, it would be approximately like this. I usually put the arrows, say this is 45, put a little circle up top for the degrees. And on the other way, if I'm looking at, I'm doing 135, we would start off at a 0 and then go up. We've got 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. 135 is right here. So let me change colors here. So we would still start off along here, go to the origin, and then go up to the 135. It's important to go right to the middle dot in the middle, go along from the 0 up to the 135. So an angle that is 135, one straight across, the other one up like this. This would be 135-degree angle.